We have some very exciting news for you today.
Yeah, but first I think we should get someone on the phone.
Well, we're out of cell service right now, so we're going to have to get him on the direct line.
The direct line? We haven't called him on the direct line in years. I'm not even sure you'd have it connected.
Only one way to find out. Oh, put it on speakerphone.
Oh, the direct line. This has got to be big news.
George, is that
You vagabonds, you only call me on the direct line when you've got big news. Have you got big news?
Well, we do. We got trying to let you know that we have some big changes in our future.
We have made the very difficult decision to sell the Vagabond van.
Selling the Vagabond van? That is big news.
Yeah, after 6 amazing years of full-time van life, including the last 2 in this amazing Humble Road van, we've decided it's time to try something new.
This van has definitely given us an elevated van life experience.
Yeah, our hope is that someone will buy it and return it to the Humble Road shop and maybe do some upgrades, do some customizing to the new owner, that sort of thing. What are your thoughts, George?
Oh, yeah. I mean, between your channel and my channel, there's a lot of content on that van. People can watch those videos. They can see how that van was built. They can see why it was built the way it was built, the passion we put into it, the build philosophy, the quality. It's all up there. There's a lot of people who are already familiar with the Vagabond van.
Awesome. Yeah, that's exactly what we wanted to hear. We definitely want to keep it in the Humble Road family if possible, and we will price it in a way where someone could absolutely take it back to you and do that.
Yeah, and I think it'd be a great way for someone to get into a Humble Road van without, the wait time or the brand new price tag. We'll be in touch, and I'll make sure I give the direct line to the new owner so they can contact you whenever they want.
All right. Yeah, absolutely. Tell them I'll be waiting for their call. And if they've got any questions, technical questions or questions about the build, just pass on my phone number or my email. I'd be happy to help, happy to talk to them. It's important to me that we keep these vans in the family. These vans are just as much mine as they are yours, and they should stay in the Humble Road family.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
So yeah.
Big news.
Crazy, huh?
Changes are a brewing.
Yeah, so we're still going to be traveling. That's not changing.
Yes.
Just going to find a different way to do it.
We got some ideas in the works, but nothing is confirmed yet. So we're going to wait to share that news with you. But
6 years is a long time for us to do anything, really.
Yeah.
But six years full-time in a van has been amazing. I highly recommend it. But life's short, and we just want to experience new and different things. And so that's why we're going to do something different. And I don't know what the future holds. Whether it's a good idea or a bad idea, we're going to do it, and it's going to be an adventure.
we're just going to try it. We're going to try something else.
Yeah, we're still going to continue with YouTube and videos and that sort of thing. We may wind up
back in a van.
Back in a van. Maybe George will build us a new one. Maybe we'll build one ourselves.
You never know.
Maybe our friends in Vancouver will build us a van. I don't know. Well, who knows what we'll do?
Yeah.
But anyway, it's been an amazing adventure. We love the van. It's been babied. It's great. Everything works perfect.
Everything's been maintained, has upgraded tires. Of course, if you've been following us and you've followed the build, which I will mention, you can go back. There's a whole playlist. I'll post links below, but of the build process.
And then George on Humble Road channel, he did a lot of videos on it, and van tour videos on it.
I'll post all that below so you can look at all that. But in a nutshell, it's fully electric, no propane on board, no need to plug in unless you're running the AC all day and night.
Yeah, it's got the massive Freedom eGen battery system. It's very robust,
efficient,
expensive.
and robust. Yeah.
600 amps of lithium from Lithionics.
420 watts of solar on the roof.
We have the extra alternator that anytime you're driving, it's continually charging. Our battery is always full. Also, can we put a link to Patrick's channel, New Jersey Outdoor Adventures? He did a video on the van too.
Oh yeah.
So,
So we'll do that. You can take a look at specifics there. And if you want to know more or are interested in the van, you can email us at carryonvagabond@gmail.com. And yeah, you can also get in touch with George for more specifics about the build or technical stuff. That's more his area of expertise. Or if you had questions about what he could do for you regarding the van.
Right. But in a nutshell, it's the great battery system. It's on the ProMaster 3500 chassis, gas engine. We get probably average between in town and highway, 16, 17.
And we're just over, I think, right about 42,000 miles. So
It's got ISO temp water heater that either heats through the inverter, or anytime you drive it, it automatically heats because it's got a separate glycol system that runs to the engine, the heat exchanger. So I always have hot water. The outdoor shower is amazing. It's got a preset temp that's instantly bath water when you use it. I use that way more than the inside shower. But
yeah, it's got a wet bath too with a composting toilet. But
it's not just that stuff. It's the quality of build, all the 80/20, the way it could be customized.
It's indestructible.
George's son Alex is an amazing carpenter, and I mean it's all grain matched walnut, and it's, I don't know, we love it.
Yeah,
it's got more storage than I've ever even imagined you could have in a van. And you could change, like the garage is a place for 2 bikes that can actually be changed to something different. So, it's...
Quit. It sounds like you're talking yourself back into it.
So you might want to email quick because we might just change our mind. And Pistol loves the van.
She does. This is her home. All right, well, that was the news for today. We'll keep you updated on what's going on. And again, if you're interested, please reach out via email at carryonvagabond@gmail.com, and we'll answer any questions you might have. See you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
Join us on Patreon for extra content and all our videos early release and ad-free.
And check out the children's book that Irene wrote. You can get it on Amazon, or if you want an autographed copy, go to our website at carryonvagabond.com.
All proceeds go directly to the Green Bean Fund. Thanks again, and
carry on.
Carry on.